10 important action verbs.
Everyday routine. Movement and travel.
Number 1, walk, meaning to move on foot at a regular pace. Example, I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop.
Number 2, run, meaning to move fast on foot. Example, I run when I am late. I run when I am late.
Number 3, go, meaning to move or travel somewhere. Example, I go to the market on Sundays. I go to the market on Sundays. Number 4, come, meaning to move toward the speaker. Example, please come to my house. Please come to my house.
Number 5, arrive, meaning to reach a place. Example, we arrive at school before 8 a.m. We arrive at school before 8 a.m.
Number 6, leave, meaning to go away from a place. Example, I leave the office at 5 p.m. I leave the office at 5 p.m.
Number 7, drive, meaning to control a car. Example, my mom drives me to school. My mom drives me to school. Number 8, ride, meaning to travel on a bicycle, horse, or motorcycle. Example, I ride my bike in the park. I ride my bike in the park. Number 9, fly, meaning to travel through the air in an aircraft or by using wings. Example, we fly to London every summer. We fly to London every summer. Number 10, swim, meaning to move through water by using your arms and legs. Example, I swim in the pool every morning. I swim in the pool every morning.